Hey, what's up guys? I'm doing a cold start challenge. I got this little decibel reader on Amazon. This about it like $22, 22 bucks. There's some cheaper. There was one for like $15. So get yourself one of these and then I'm gonna try my cars. So I'm gonna do my Evo first. I think we'll try the Cobra as well, 99 Cobra. I was gonna do the Nissan, but I lost the key, so we'll do it next. I got a Nissan Skyline. We'll try this one for fun. It's not loud, but we'll do it. And I think this one's gonna be loud too. It's my Drift Mustang 2004, straight pipe, so that should be nice and loud. Here we get the Evo. Let's try it. So here we get the Skyline. Like 99. Here we got my 04 Mustang drift car, straight piped. Go ahead. So for fun, we're gonna do the Sienna, just to compare what a normal car is supposed to sound like. Okay, go ahead. Not much noise at all, to be honest. Like 60, 70 decibels. So the Cobra wasn't actually cold, we just drove to the store, but still cool. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. The usual. I'm a car dealer, get a lot of sports cars, do reviews, test drives, and I want to see your car on a cold start. Let's see how loud can it get. Let's see those videos.